So, now I have two different end mills for flute. This is an 8 mil up spiral for flutes. This is an up spiral 6 for flutes, and this one too. These are identical. The only thing is, I took from one 2 centimeters off, because I had a lot of chatter, and then also from the 8 mil, that was 100 millimeter long, I took off 2 centimeter, 20 mil. 80 mil, sorry, 80 mil, and this one is still 100. That's how they came from the factory. Well, this is a nice example. I'm gonna do now cast iron, and that's a vise. It's a machine, a drill press vise, let's say, but the sides they are a bit irregular. And to place it very quickly on the platform for the milling machine, it's much more easy for me if this is a straight edge. And this straight edge square with the beak of the vise. So that's what I'm going to do now with the 2 flute and see what happens. Well, I also can do it with this one. That's just a flat bottom. This one, you see. But yeah, for now I do it. This is then a 4 flute, but this is then the 2 flute. What I'm doing now. At least it's straight. But if it's square, I still don't know, because for that I have to make a measurement. Well, this is then the side how it's supposed to be. I still have to do this side, but then you see that it's yeah, a bit half round and yeah, a bit irregular. So let's see what it's gonna do.